Have you ever gotten to the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most people don't have a plan for their money, and that's exactly why most people feel stressed about it. Today, we're fixing that. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about budgeting, what it is, how to start one, and how to actually stick to it. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a budget? A budget is simply a plan for your money. It tracks what comes in, your income, and what goes out, your expenses, over a set period of time, usually a month. That's it. It's not a punishment. It's not a restriction. It's just a plan. And having a plan means you're in control instead of wondering where everything went. Making a budget only takes 3 steps. Step 1, add up your monthly income. Think about everything: your paycheck, any freelance work, side hustles, or regular payments like child support or disability. Use the take-home number, not what you earn before taxes. If your income varies month to month, use an average. Step 2, list all your expenses. Start with the fixed ones: rent, insurance, subscriptions. Then move to the variable ones: food, gas, entertainment. Check your bank statements if you're not sure. Try to capture everything. Step 3, subtract your expenses from your income. If you have money left over, that's a surplus. Great. If you're in the red, it's time to look at what you can cut, especially when it comes to wants versus needs. Now, there's no single right way to budget, so let me walk you through 3 popular methods so you can find what works for you. The first is zero-based budgeting. This means you give every single dollar a job. Income minus expenses equals 0. Nothing is left unaccounted for. It takes a bit more effort, but it's incredibly intentional. The second is cash envelope budgeting. This one is old school but powerful. You put physical cash into envelopes for each spending category: groceries, gas, fun money. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category for the month. It makes overspending very hard to do. The third is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt payoff. It's probably the most beginner-friendly method out there. Simple math, real results. Making a budget is the easy part. Sticking to it? That's where most people struggle. Here's what actually works. Track your spending regularly. Even just a quick 5-minute check-in each week makes a huge difference. Review your budget once a month to see if anything has changed, and give yourself a small reward when you follow through. This isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. It also helps to find an accountability partner, someone who'll check in on your goals and cheer you on. Just make sure they're encouraging, not judgmental. Here's the truth: without a budget, it's really easy to overspend, fall into debt, and feel like you're always playing catch-up. A budget doesn't take your freedom away, it gives you more of it. You know exactly what you can spend without guilt. You can save for the things that matter. You reduce financial stress. And the best part, you don't have to be perfect. Budgets aren't set it and forget it. Life changes and your budget can change with it. Just review it, adjust it, and keep going. So there you have it, budgeting demystified. Pick the method that feels right for you, start simple, and just begin. The best budget is the one you'll actually use. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. I post new videos every week on making personal finance actually make sense. Drop a comment below and tell me, which budgeting method are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next one.